Hi, this is Sean with WTI. And for you to keep your self-esteem working properly once you're talking to other people, this cold mouthwash, this spearmint mouthwash is just working to me just great. Why? Every single time that I have mouthwash, I was trying to get like this minty feeling, but not too strong because I have sensitive gum. And once I would try any other, maybe other mouthwash, it would go too hard. And this sensation. But this is like the perfect middle ground. Not too hard, but not so soft. So every time that I go and talk to other people, obviously, it's not only the mouthwash. Brush your teeth, you gotta do thumb scraping, and I would do this at the end. So I can just assure myself that I have a clean smell whenever I'm going to speak to somebody. And I'm going to be just totally fine because I know that everything is clean, it's nice, and everything is hygienic. Like I always try to be in situations like this. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.